Yes. So guys, we're going to try to fix this gas heater here. So I'm holding the button down. This has been modified because it was burnt. The flame is there. The make is Kingavon. So I'm gonna release the button. So that's the problem. Okay, so we're gonna try again for the second time. So it's on. Usually takes 10 seconds to 15 seconds holding down, and it should stay, but in this case it won't stay for us. So let's try and fix this. So in most cases the problem, it's either in thermocouple, which is located there. So I'm going to disassemble all that. I'm going to take the 4 screws as well, holding this back metal. There's 4 screws there, and there's as well a switch. The tip-in switch is the back there. I'm going to show you how to test it as well, so we'll figure out how we can fix this thing here. So I have the back metal up there using the screwdriver. So first time we're going to check this tip-in. This it's like a switch, has to be vertical in order to have the connection here. If this is faulty as well, you'll have the same thing, that the pilot won't stay on. So to test the switch, if it's doing its job or not, you need the multimeter. So you put this at continuity here like this. So that's the continuity. I have some clips here in about a bit. Just 1 second. Put this up here. No. Hold on a second. Okay. So it's working, right? So look. See, if I tip it over, so the circuit is open at this state here. It's vertical. The circuit is, therefore this thing here is working properly. So this switch here is perfect. So there's nothing wrong with this one here. In that case, it's the thermocouple. So let's take the thermocouple. We'll test it using a 1.5 volt battery, or very small voltage anyway, to see if the electromagnetic inside is working properly, because it's a valve here, so it closes the gas. I'm gonna show you when I'm taking it off. So the thermocouple is out. So this is a rubber seal. This is what blocks the gas. So that's the thermocouple, and there is a coil inside. So you put the power here. There's 2 terminals there, top and bottom here. Put the power, you click. So if there is a magnetic there, means this thermocouple is good. So now we're going to test this thermocouple to see if it's working. So I have a battery here, 1.5. So we'll put this one here, the bottom, to see if it's working. So there, put the mines here and press. So you see now the way it's holding down. If I take the wire, goes up again, you press, stays. So that means this thermocouple is good. So now the tip-in switch is working good. The thermocouple is good as well. So the final thing now we're going to check is this wire here. Maybe wasn't making enough contact with this, or when this thing here, the sensor there, it's dirty. Now it's being cleaned. Maybe wasn't producing where is it? Maybe it wasn't producing enough voltage. So I'm gonna heat up this and measure the output voltage in the other end. So I have the multimeter here. Where is it? The multimeter wire. It's there, plus there, right? And minus on the frame anywhere. So I'm going to turn on the on the DC voltage. So that's the voltage there. I'm going to expose this to the heat. So as you see now, it's rising. So apparently it's working now. So 0.00. So that's on the heat, and the voltage is rising there. So no heat now, and it's going down. So the sensor as well now, it's good, it's working. Right. Now you see 0. If I have heat on it, there you go. Where is it? There, it's rising again. So that's good. So it's more likely to be the connection then. The connection between this here, between that tip there and the thermocouple. So I'm going to put the thermocouple back where it belongs, which is there. Right. So very important, you need to unscrew this first, small one. You see, it's very hard to film and do the job yourself. So that's unscrewed there. So we'll make sure that the contact is really, so that's in our case here, the contact wasn't great here. That's why there is no conduction of electricity to thermocouple to be switched on. So it is very important to tighten this knot first before you put this one here. So it's pushing down, so I'm going to tighten it and then put this together and I'll show you the result. So I tightened the big bolt first, this one here, and then the second one. So the wire is very firm at the moment, so hopefully the conductivity is there, so it'll switch on the thermocouple inside. So the back shield is on, the 4 screws holding it, 4 screws. Make sure this is very tight there, so the wire is well intact with the thermocouple. So I'm going to attach the gas bottle and we'll see how if we can get this working. So the gas bottle is being attached, that's it here. I'm going to switch on the gas. So the gas now is switched on, and let's try. So pressing the button, 5 seconds, then I'm going to switch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. That's it. So the gas now is out. So we're going to count again in 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm still pressing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. And yes, it stays. So that's it, fixed. So now you can turn the setting. Second, so that's 2 of them now on, or even 3 of them. So now you can get some heat. That's it, guys. So this is the how to troubleshoot the gas heater. This make here is a Kingavon, and I'm nearly sure they are all the same principle how they work. This has been melted before, so I did replace this a long time ago. It was an easy job, and now I can get some heat as well from this. Thanks guys for watching. I hope this helps someone out there.